To solve this question, we need to substitute in our known variables a and b and solve for the expression's value. But before we do that, we actually need to substitute a into b to find b's full value. To do that, we'll have b is equal to a over 2, and we know a is equal to 7 over 2. 7 divided by 2 would give us 3.5. So now we know that b's full value is 3.5. And now we can begin to substitute. We have 4a plus 17, and a we know is equal to 7. Then we have 4b plus 1, and b we know is equal to 3.5. Oops. Subtract 5b, which we know is 3.5, minus 1.5 over 3a, which we know is 7, minus 1. And now we can start to simplify, and let's start with multiplication. We'll start with our whole number multiplication. 4 times 7 is 28, and 3 times 7 is 21. Then we have to do decimal multiplication. There's two different ways you can do this. 4 times 3.5, if you're comfortable with long multiplication, you can set it up like this, or you can think about it in terms of 3 times 4 plus 0.5 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and then half of 4 is 2, and 2 plus 12 is 14. So this will give us 14. Let me actually make some room here. 14 plus 1 will be on the bottom, plus 17 on top. Then we have 5 times 3.5. Again, 5 times 3 would give us 15. And 5 times 1/2. And this one, since we don't really get an even number, we would get more decimals. It may be better to do this one in terms of long multiplication. So 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Move one decimal place, one decimal place. So we have 17.5 minus 1.5 in our numerator and minus 1 in our denominator. Now we can start to do addition and subtraction. 14 plus 1 will give us 15. 21 minus 1 will give us 20. Then up here, 17.5 minus 1.5, or these 0.5s will just cancel each other out, leaving us with 17 minus 1, which is 16. And then this, 28 plus 17, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we just need to simplify. 45 divided by 15, that actually is an even division. 45 can go into 15, or rather 15 can go into 45 3 times evenly with no remainder. Minus, we'll factor out the greatest common factor, 16 divided by 4, and 20 divided by 4 would give us 4 over 5. So we have 3 minus 4/5. And if we wanted to, we could rewrite 3 with a denominator of 5. So what would 3 times 5 be? That would be, and I'll put it over here, we'll have 15/5, which is the same thing as 3 wholes, minus 4/5, which would give us 15 minus 4 is 11 over 5. And now we have a improper fraction that we need to simplify. So now I'll erase these two multiplication problems to give us some room. 5 can go into 11 2 times evenly with 1 remaining, because 2 wholes would be equal to 10/5 minus 11/5, which would leave us with 1/5. So our final answer is 2 1/5. Answer choice